All right guys, today we're going to show you how to install the optional drawer on the CSS. Earlier we showed you how to add the optional cargo tray slide out, and this time we're going to show you how to add the drawer. So if you've already purchased a GSS from us and you've opted for the cub packs to go here, all you do is take those out. There'll be 2 L brackets in here, pop those L brackets out, and then you'll be ready to start the install for your drawer. So here's your drawer. This is what you're gonna get delivered to you, okay? You got your dividers on the inside that can come in and out. And then if you notice, you have a screw here and a screw there. Everything is pre-measured and dialed in here at the shop. But if you get it and in shipping, this moves up or down, left or right, you can loosen the screw and adjust it to fit perfectly inside the frame of your GSS, okay? So the first thing the guys are gonna do is take off the bottom trays, and we'll put that to the side. There's just a little clip here that you just undo, both of them, and then they'll pop right off, just like that, okay? And then we'll make sure that that one goes on the left side and this one goes on the right side. Okay, and we'll just set those aside. Goes just like that, yep, exactly. All right, and then the next step that we're gonna do before we screw those in is we're gonna add our little bracket here, our little handle latch. And this catches the handle so your drawer doesn't slide when you're going around corners, okay? So the first thing you're gonna do is find center. Center is 22 inches. That beam right there is 44 inches, so we're just gonna mark center of 22. So we like to just put a piece of tape there, and then you can take a marker and then just mark 22. Excellent, okay. Now the next step you're gonna do is you're gonna take the L bracket that we supply you with the little self-tapping screw, and you wanna put this in here just like this, centered of that mark, and you're gonna take your self-tapper and it's gonna go center and in between the gap here and the edge. So you wanna put it center of these 2 pieces right here. So that's where you're gonna screw that in. Aaron's gonna show you how. So you'll take your drill, you'll line it all up, and then again, you wanna be centered from here to here, and then right at that mark. So just like that. Yep, and then you would just screw that right in. And then obviously you would bring it over so it's centered. So you want it just like that, okay? Once you get that done, you're set, and that way your handle latch locks. You'll never have to worry about your drawer going in and out, okay? So once you have that part done, the next thing you're gonna do is we're gonna attach the slides. The slides, we need them to be flush right here, just like that. So you're gonna take your self-tapping screw, make sure that it's flush here, and Aaron's gonna show you. He's gonna take the self-tapper and you're gonna screw it right in there, and that's it. Just one there, make sure it's flush, and then when you're done with that, you'll go to the back side and then screw one in there. On the back side, you have to make your own hole, but that's fine. That's what the self-tapper's for. It'll go right through there and right into the 80-20 leg, okay? Once you get that side done, then you're gonna come over here. We're gonna do exactly the same thing. We're gonna lay this right here, make sure that it's flush. You're gonna take your self-tapper, screw it in there. It doesn't matter either if you wanna go to the top hole or bottom hole, it's your choice. It's gonna clear either way. So, and then you're gonna go back to the back. And you're gonna do the same thing. You would come down a little bit lower, obviously, and then you move this out. You can slide this piece out of the way, and then you're just gonna tap it right into there. And try to keep the same height as those holes. So you put your self-tapper right in there, exactly. Okay, and then once you get that done, you're done. You got both sliders locked into place, and then you're gonna take your drawer, and then you just come back around and slide your drawer right in there until it locks on these 2 tabs. And once it locks, That's it. If you have to make any adjustment with your face, then all you have to do is loosen those screws that I told you on the inside of your drawer, and then you can make any adjustments that you need so it fits perfectly square inside the frame. And that's how you install the drawer.